Welcome back to another video. Long time no see. Today we are picking up a GT3 Touring and we're gonna take it to some mountain roads. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. Stay tuned, hit the like button, leave a comment. So I'm driving now. I sadly have no one to film, but the car is amazing. You get all the power starting from 5 to 6k RPM. And then it's like on steroids. It's amazing. I thought the sound of this thing would be louder. To be honest, it isn't that loud, but the sound note is beautiful. Special thing about this one, it's a Le Mans edition GT3 Touring. So it has the Le Mans wrap. You can also see here. 24 hours Le Mans race. The one thing that I noticed is that you can't change the seats. So it's always in the 90 degrees angle. So you always have to sit up straight. The thing you can do is though, you can do this and then you can access the back area. So if you have children, it's quite a cool car also. And of course most of the parts are fully carbon, as you can see here. And another thing that's quite funny in my opinion, check out the rear camera. I don't know if you can see it here, but the quality seems kind of low. It looks like a camera from 2010 or something, which is interesting. But of course you don't drive this car for the rear wheel camera. And switch to drive. And off we go! just returned the car. For the people asking, car had around 510 horsepower, I believe, and of course rear wheel drive, making it an insane track weapon. But for daily use, getting to that high RPM so that you can unleash the full power of the car is sometimes quite hard. But nonetheless, once you get there, it's insane. It's such a crazy car. It feels like the car is on steroid. I always like to compare the car to cars I've driven before. And previously I drove the 296 GTB, and I must say both of these cars compare quite well, but I believe that the GT3 is way better on track and the 296 is a better all-arounder, meaning that you can drive it on the track, on the mountain roads and in the city. And furthermore, I preferred the seats in the 296. The Porsche GT3 had carbon seats where at a very stiff 90 degrees angle, I think after some time they kind of hurt. Things I liked is that the steering is very precise. So I've never driven a car which is that precise. Furthermore, handling is of course insane. You can take curves at an angle and the car just sticks to the street. Since the GT3 Touring doesn't have the wing, I wonder how well the GT3 with the wing performs, if you can feel the difference. Yeah, it was such a fun experience driving this track car on the road. In my opinion, it's a track car, and I wonder how a GT3 RS compares to this one, since this is the GT3 which is supposed to be a daily car. So yeah, it was an incredible experience. I hope you liked the video. Press the subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet, and please like the video, leave a comment, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.